Hey travelers, Captain Carmen here. I am on Half Moon Cay, the private island for Holland America. What a beautiful day here. I'm gonna go explore this island. We took a tender over. It's a tender only port. I'm gonna explore it, see what I can find, and I'll share it with you. So let's go take a walk and have a good time. All right, see you, bye. So since it is a tender port, make sure that you understand when you have to get back, because if you miss the tender, you're out of luck. This is the main entryway with the excursions and things you can do when you come on board. Horseback riding, bike tours, snorkel by boat, excursions you can do as we enter Fort San Salvador. Get that island vibe as soon as you walk on board. So, information, first aid, excursions. There's a bar immediately to the left. Of course, there's a shop and music. So let's go find some beaches and see what they got. Just so you know, you do have to get a drink package to carry over here on the island, and we'll explore some more. So I'm gonna kind of start it backwards. So this is the last call back to the ship, Rotterdam. That's where I'll be coming back when I take the tender. It's got a queue. You know, it probably gets busy towards the end when there is the call time. Foot washing stations. I've actually noticed them a couple of places. That's really great. There is a tram road. You can walk it. You just got to be careful because the trams ride on the opposite side that we're used to in the States. But let's take a walk. There's water sports and lockers rental. Again, just great directional signs. Foliage is beautiful here. Water sports, Half Moon Beach, the island barbecue and the beach. We're going to walk down it and look at this beautiful, beautiful water. Oh, this is fun. It's not on yet. The misting station. And we'll walk over to the beach in a second. I'm gonna take off my shoes so I can walk in the sand. So let's go take a look and see what this water's like. A little fun fact there about the islands. Wow, look at that blue. Just lovely. Now this is the easy access, or the closest access to the beach. That's why it's a little busier. You'll see more people here. The other ship, the New Amsterdam, was further out. Normally there are not two ships here in port. There's two ships calling on today, and we actually were granted special permission to come on to see it, which is great. Otherwise, that charter ship would not have been good for us in that sense, because we would have been not able to experience it. But here I am to share it with you. Look at that beautiful blue water. And again, these chairs and things are included with your stay. Cabanas and things tend to be rented, but I'm gonna take a walk down from the other side and see what we can find. Here we are, Half Moon Cay in the Bahamas. So I came from that direction over there. That's where I just looked at the beautiful water and the ships. You can see these wonderful paved walkways. Makes it easier for folks if they're gonna be any type of accessibility, as I always like to point out. This goes around. You can walk on the sand if you want to get your toes in the sand, or do like people do, kick off your shoes. Now here is a cute little chapel. Not sure if they do any services. I'd have to find out. It's all here on the island. I think they might offer that. Gonna continue the walk a little bit. Look at that beautiful water. Wow, that's just great, folks. If you want to see it, let me know. Plus, we're blessed by this beautiful sunny day. It's a little humid, but not like you may be used to in the southern parts of the States. But you can see how pretty it is. Now, you hear that plane in the distance? That's actually one of the seaplanes. I was told by the folks on the tender that they use that to bring in the locals and for the people that come here. Let me see if I can get a picture of it. Wow, look at this view. See him, it's kind of there in the distance. Right over there is the seaplane. Let's see. I'll just walk. Good morning.
Hello.
Just walk here. Sometimes, wow, see a sandcastle on the beach. This guy's got his work cut out for him, and he's doing it great.
He just keeps getting better and better.
That's awesome. Toes in the sand. Water feels wonderful. Look at that blue. Can't get enough of it. I wish I could stay here forever. That's what that sign says. The lobster shack is on the island. I'm pretty sure that's an upcharge. The pirate ship and some of the cabanas. So just a little more of the overview of Half Moon Cay. So behind me is island massage. So if you want to get a nice massage while you're on the island, check out the cool breezes as you're getting relaxed, you can do that. All these little cabanas are the things that you can rent. They have air conditioning and other amenities. Looks like they have floats, fans. And I'm going to continue walking here a little bit. I'll make my way up to the pirate ship. So I just walked up from the beach to one of the beach crossings. Sign says back to the ship. Easy directional stuff, you're not going to get lost. I love the fact that off of the beach, again, pavers to make it easy to walk. This is part of the lunch area. Barbecue starts at 11 o'clock. That's included, so you don't have to go back to the ship to eat, that type of thing. And then here's the walk on the backside to the Captain Morgan on the Rocks Island Bar. Now, I know there's a lot of people that would love this. That's cool. Captain Morgan's on the rocks. Look at the pretty flowers. Take a walk inside. Maybe I'll get a drink. I got a drink package for the island, so I'll take advantage of. Oh, how cool is this? That's just awesome. Take a picture of the sign. Again, looking out to the ocean. To the left, to the Caribbean Sea, I should say. There you go. That's just awesome. Just more great stuff from Half Moon Cay. So I am back. So I stumbled upon the horse crossing. Over here I just saw some bikes go by, so you can bike around the island here on Half Moon Cay. So I walked down to the real quiet end. Look at this, folks. Look how pretty. Just lovely. I call it blue noise. It's the sound of the beautiful blue waves just pounding over and over. So there is the ship bar. Over further is where we took them in the tenders, and that's where all the cabanas are and the bungalows and things you can rent. But you can come down to this end of this beautiful island. They've scattered, I don't know if you can see them, chaise lounges. Just pull them out. You can do it, you can relax under the looks like some type of pine, or you can just sit here and enjoy the quiet. The water is absolutely lovely, and then you can just kick back and relax here. This is really one of the prettiest private island beaches I've seen. It's really about the amenities and the things that come naturally here with the beach and the sun and the water. It's just a great thing to have as an option when cruising, particularly with Holland America. So there you go, folks. Give you a couple more views of this wonderful, wonderful beach. So there's one of the island trams. I just came from the absolutely stunning beach and the Captain Morgan Pirate Ship Bar. I'm walking to the barbecue. It's just beautiful. You can walk along this road, like I said. Just gotta be careful because you gotta keep out for the trams. You know, this is an absolutely gorgeous private island. It really is no thrills, no gimmicks. There's no gimmicks to this. This is just pure natural beauty. Absolutely lovely, lovely water. You can do the water sports that you want. There's horseback riding, like I said, and the bicycle stuff, but there's no big things like there's no water park here. There's nothing of that nature, but you don't need it here. It's absolutely gorgeous, just gorgeous. So I'm gonna go and enjoy some barbecue. I can smell it. It should be right over here. And there's some more of the lovely day here at Half Moon Cay. So here's a quick view of the island barbecue. There's a couple serving lines. These are all regular menus, all different barbecue and island barbecue fare. All the way on the left is vegan. So they have all that just to, if you have dietary restrictions. Can't wait to taste it. Oh, looks so good. Definitely flame broiled. All good stuff here at the island barbecue. And all the fixings. So here's the island barbecue. It looks yummy. I do not plan to eat along with this. I wanted to taste it. Got some island fish and a fish taco. Got some beef. I can't remember what the spices is. There's a couple different salads. There's a slaw, banana muffin, and first I've never had on a cruise at a private island barbecue is a candy apple. So only take a couple bites of that. So there you go, folks. You're not going to go hungry here at Half Moon Cay. So there's actually a volleyball court here for beach volleyball, and then there is some soccer nets so you can play some pickup soccer, and then also on the other side of here there is basketball. So there's a little bit of everything if you want to take a break from the beach, have a little fun, work off that extra beer you had. So much great stuff to do here at Half Moon Cay. Just great. So I made my way back to where I came onto the island here at the front. Beach was 200 feet that way. You can see there's chairs, all different things. There's some like Bahamian market stuff here. There's the island bar when you first come in. This is really a wonderful, wonderful private island. No gimmicks. It's just beautiful beaches, relaxing, beautiful water, great food. Let me help you make it happen on any Holland America cruise. You're gonna love it. The captain's here to let you get that done. We've been waiting a long time. Trust me, folks, you're gonna want to see this when you can. All right, give me a call. Bye. So here we are in the tender back. Just a short ride. Have them all lined up. Didn't have to wait long at all. In the morning, you have to get a number. Unless you're on an excursion, you have to go get a number to be able to come back. But it's great. Really great day. You can look back at the island through there. Half Moon Cay, Holland America private island, and the lovely Rotterdam. Thanks for watching. If you like the information in this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and like it. And if you want to make sure you don't miss out on any future information, go ahead and consider subscribing or hit the notification bell, and that way you'll be in the know when I upload some new travel content. And if you have any comments or questions, put them down below. I'll make sure to answer them. Remember, the captain's here to help you out with all your travel needs. We are going to travel again soon. Stay positive. I'll see you next time. Bye.